Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here with you for whiteboard work, Superconscious Success, okay? And so for this session, we are going to clear unbelief, okay? And so you want to say this declaration 4 times, and you want to put unbelief here in the blank, okay? So it should sound like this. Spirit, Superconscious, please locate the origin of my feelings and thoughts of unbelief. Take each and every level, layer, area, and aspect of my being to this origin. Analyze it and resolve it perfectly with God's truth. Come through all generations of time and eternity, healing every incident and its appendages based on the origin. Please do it according to God's will until I am at the present, filled with light and truth. God's peace and love, forgiveness of myself for my incorrect perceptions, forgiveness of every person, place, circumstances, and event which contributed to these feelings and thoughts. Okay? So, 3 more times. And then your work is to allow and send forth love to clear the way in every area of your life. And you know you want to rejoice now because it's already done, and walk in divine abundance in every area of your life. Okay? So your work is to gratefully choose love. Remember, thank you, thank you, thank you is going to clear the way. Okay? From your heart, you want to be grateful, okay? Gratefully choose love. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Let me know what your results are. My number, 618-223-6006. My website is marlenab.clearlythebest.com. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love and abundance beyond belief.